Introducing the AGARO Type C to Type C fast charging cable, designed for modern devices. Let's take a look at what's inside. The cable comes neatly packaged and ready to use. This cable features a durable braided exterior and USB-C connectors on both ends. It's built to last with a lifespan of over 10,000 bends. The cable is versatile, supporting fast charging for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and power banks. It's compatible with a wide range of devices. With 60 watts power delivery and 480 megabits per second data transfer speeds, this cable offers both fast charging and efficient data transmission. The AGARO Type C to Type C cable is a reliable choice for all your charging and data transfer needs.